Hey everyone, we're at Cabana Bay Beach Resort at Universal Orlando Resort, and I'm going to take a look at a standard room, a Volcano Bay room, which we will get back into in a minute there. Here is the bath area. There's me. There's the bath area. It's nice that the sink here is separate from the toilet and shower in here. And of course you get the cool theme appropriate shampoo and conditioner and zest. I like that everything is themed here. Got a closet right here. And here is where the two queen beds are. No bedspreads right now for obvious reasons. Of course, there's a nice flat screen TV, coffee maker. You've got a mini fridge. And of course, you've got a view of Volcano Bay. I think that is pretty cool. And then if you look over there, you can see the lazy river. But that's what you're mainly looking at. Right here at Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort at Universal Orlando Resort.